pupunta tayo ngayon, today. Pupunta tayo sa Dumbo Bridge. We're going to see the Dumbo Bridge, one of the tourist spot here in Brooklyn, New York. Okay, let's go.
Not bridge, it's arch.
Oh, it's arch. Sorry, it's not a bridge. Brooklyn Arch?
Arch. No, it's not Brooklyn. It's Dumbo Archway.
Dumbo Archway. Okay, yun pala yun. Let's go, guys. I'm sorry about that. I make mistake. Okay. Laki na mga building. Pwede maglakad doon, oh. May train din dito sa baba. Ito yung Manhattan Bridge, guys. This is the Manhattan Bridge. Manhattan Bridge. Sana tayo? Ito na yung Dumbo. Ito lang yung tinignan natin. Ang panghi. Grabe. Nasa ilalim kami ng Manhattan Bridge.
Kung tayo magawa ng January 6, pwede na dito lahat.
You can hear the sound of the train. Oh my God. Nasa ilalim tayo ng train. Yan yung train, guys. Oh. Nasa ilalim tayo ng train. Yeah. Cool. Dito?
Dito dapat.
Oh, dito dati. Oh, ito na yung Dumbo. This is the Manhattan Bridge, guys. There you are. Diba? Ang ganda ng structure. Mostly sa mga tourist destination, they are under construction. Ayan. Pwede tayong dumaan dito. Oh, bilis daw. Kasi under construction. Under construction, guys. Ang lalaki ng mga bato. Oh, eto na yung Dumbo. Cool. Astig yung Christmas tree nila. Kasi under construction, ginawa nilang ganito. Oh, eto na, Dumbo. Dumbo Station. Eto na siya, guys. Oh. Nakita niyo yung words niya. Kasulat, Dumbo. Dumbo. At eto yung ginawa nila, oh. Under construction kasi siya, guys. Oh, diba? Ito na yung Dumbo. Wala siyang sulat din. Powerhouse Books Arena. Ito na yun, oh. Diyan tayo na bumili, diba? Oh, okay. Ito na siya. This is it. Pansit. This is now the arc. And yun na yung hinihingan natin. Dumbo Bridge. Oh, may naglilinis dito, in fairness. Tourist destination kasi. Oh, yan guys, ah. I travel with you.